Shit. What up there, anime and manga communities? This is your boy Chitty, Chitty, whatever you want to call me, and today I'm here to talk about Kingdom, chapter 411. Now, good to be back. Yeah, we returned. Yeah, whatever. Either way it goes. So, before I get started, I just want to say I did not get the camera. It is on its way, but, you know, things happen, and now it's being mailed to me instead of me having it in my hand. So we're going to have to deal with this just for a few days. Not, just for a little while. Not anything long. It should be here by this week, though. So, alright, now, let's get into this chapter of Kingdom. Now, this week's chapter of Kingdom is mostly just a, a setup chapter. That's pretty much what it is. Like, nothing really of super importance happens, but let's just go ahead and get into it. Well, no, there is one thing that I want to talk about, but we'll get into that in a second. So the chapter starts off with Shin and the High Shin unit going in on some Wei soldiers, you know, because it's time, I guess, to do the counterattack. You know, I think they have the wall built now too. I don't know, I'm confused on the amount of time that has passed between when the wall construction began and when it ended, but I'm gonna assume the wall construction is over and now they're on the offensive against the Wei, because now the High Shin unit is taking a city. And as that's going along, in the middle of that, Shin is, you know, feeling himself like, yeah, you know, we just like, you know, crushed the whole enemy. We do it good, because, you know, he doesn't have that freaking Toes extra little baggage general telling him what to do. So from there, you have Karyoten and Shin, you know, talking about, you know, the plan of action, how they're going to take this hill and that. And then this is where things get interesting. And this is where I wanted to talk about this one thing that I feel might play an important role a little bit later on, is when a messenger comes and he's like, oh, hey, Karyoten, here you go. This is from the chief of Kanyu, that one strategist dude that is on Ryofui's side, because I can't remember his name. I think it's like Shokuke or something like that. Either way it goes. So the chief of Kanyu sends them a letter, and then they look at the letter, and there's a panel, a pretty decently sized panel too. This shows that the seal is broken. They're like, why is the seal broken? He says, oh, well, on my way here, the horse broke its leg and I fell off. Don't tell our superiors because they'll get mad at me. And as soon as I see that, I'm like, there's some bullshit afoot. Because that just seems, do you know what I'm saying? Like, it seems like too much importance was placed on this. And it makes me think there may be a little bit more of something going on. So, we're going to have to find out. Either way it goes. Going on ahead, as Karyoten reads the letter, she is, you know, the chief of Kanyu is telling her, okay, well, look, you guys should take Koko Road and take it from there instead of taking this area, and watch out for the weather. And Shin is like, wait, how can someone in Kanyu know about the weather and the conditions of the battlefield over here in Wei? And Karyoten, because that Shokuke, I'm gonna just say that because I'm pretty sure that's his name, trained her. She's like, oh, that's just Sensei. Sensei knows all. And dude, I'm feeling like this is a trap, because let's think about this, right? Let's just stop and think, well, you know what? I'm gonna save that for after I'm done with the chapter review. I'm just gonna say that. So moving forward, we go into Shin then realizes that in 10 days it'll be Shay's coming of age ceremony, which is a big hurrah. And then we get exposition about, you know, the former capital of Yu and how, you know, grand it was, and the walls are blue because the kin served water, blah, 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 that bullshit, unimportant. So then we get Shay coming in, and everybody in the city of the former capital city of Yu is on point, because this is it. This is the hype. This is the hype moment. We ready. So Shay steps out and he's like, so this is it, huh? It's time to begin. And then out of left field comes the Queen Mother. And she's like, so how you doing, Shay? No, I'm just like, and then Shobakun is like, yo, no, the situation with AI hasn't been solved yet. You shouldn't be here like this. And she's like, don't worry, I'm not gonna miss my son's, coming of age ceremony. And on top of that, we'll figure out, you know, the whole AI thing a little bit later. And then she looks at Shay, and Shay is like, I wouldn't say towering over her, but he's definitely, you know, pretty tall. And he's looking over her. And she's like, when did he get so big? And I want to just say this, Kingdom likes to use height as kind of like a way to show political power and one's strength in general. Like, you know, these guys are like these really overly tall, beastly looking, buffed out dudes. And I think it's shown that way to kind of up the fantasy of who they are. Do you understand? Like, it's kind of like, whatever, it's not important. Either way it goes. So Then Shay is, the Queen Mother walks off, and then we jump over to Ryufui, who's like, man, so this is it, huh? 23 years of planning comes to this. And I'm like, dude, oh my God. Yes. Dude, I'm so ready. This is it. We here. Dude, I'm so ready for this. But now I just want to talk about some of the things that I think are about to happen with this whole situation. Queen Mother being there instantly strikes me as they're going to probably go on the assault right here and now. That's what I would assume, is that they're going to go on the assault right here and now. Because it would make the most sense. That's what I would do. Like, bring the army here and handle it from there, right? So we can expect probably an ambush right there and then because of how low of the... I'm pretty sure Shay should have some guards, but you never know. So, and then on top of that, I feel like this is a trap for Shin. This is Ryufui trying to, keep Shin from being at the fight, because the High Shin unit, whether it's a general, it has a general in the unit or not, it's still a very prominently known unit and has done some pretty big feats. And they're probably going to want to keep them away from the battle that's probably going to take place at Yu. So we can probably expect for this whole Coco Road thing to be a trap, and Shin and the group to get kind of hammered a bit, and we'll just take it from there. But this is just my predictions. I'm pretty sure they're going to be right, though. It seems like it would be leading to that. But either way it goes, man, I'm hyped for next week. So, fuck yeah, dude. It's good to be back to see y'all again. But I'm going to go ahead and sign out now. This is your boy, Chadia, signing out. Please be sure to rate, comment, subscribe, and do everything that will Black with Thrive. And I will catch you on the flip. It has been golden. Peace out, anime and manga communities.